us live from California. He's a managing partner with the Cochran Law Firm. Brian, great to have you on the program as always. Share with us, please, your thoughts on how the defense is faring in their case thus far.
Well, this is fascinating, Julie, and thank you so much for having me on as always. One of the interesting things, and you pointed this out early on, is that the defense deferred giving the opening statement. Now, I got to tell you, I haven't had the courage to do that in 26 years. The idea is that they're waiting to give their opening statement until the entire prosecution case is over. And typically, it's just a difficult thing because you're basically sitting there the whole time, not doing it. But what we basically saw, and this is very interesting in terms of the way that they approach the case, Julie, they have embraced those facts which you would think would be the facts that they're trying to get away from, such as the immigration. They're basically saying, yes, we're not going to get away from that. He is an immigrant. He is the type of person that is working for 12 hours at a dairy farm, which if anyone has ever been to a dairy farm knows that's pretty, let's just say difficult, difficult place to work. And we're going to embrace the fact that this was a horrific crime, that we saw pictures of her body and that we should be outraged and that everyone should be outraged. This is very effective because essentially what it makes the jury think is that this particular defendant really has something to say. And I think that that set the stage beautifully, Julie.
Mm-hmm. You're right, Brian. They did not run away from those bad facts. And I really feel like that's always a mark of a good trial attorney, knowing how to take those bad facts and try to change them. Some facts are beyond change, as we know, but sometimes you can embrace them, as you said, and then kind of take them to your side of the case and your version of events. I have so many more questions for you, Brian, but we have to take a commercial break. I know you're going to stay with us kindly. We appreciate that. We appreciate you being with us at home. We know that the state has rested its case as of Monday, and now it is the defense's turn. And what we're going to do now while the jury's on their break is take a look back at some of the most important parts of the state's case in chief. Remember, they've got the burden in proving who killed Mollie Tibbits. That's all next for you live here on Court TV.